And it was just like going in like little circles. It's like, like, holy shit, die! So I take this shoe and I'm just like, with all my might. I'm not even kidding you. And that thing's just like a fucking retard. I'm just like, holy hell. And then Emily comes in Emily comes in and she's just like, what's going on here? I'm just like, that motherfucker won't die. He won't fly with that. No. Wants still be struggling miserably and in pain. And after that, like, she gets the shoe and goes, no. Like, Thor's that shit.
Correct words, die motherfucker, die.
Die motherfucker. And then I could hear the spider say, I'll never die. No, that shit was like half.
I was like Chuck Norris on his ass.
Dude, Roadhouse. And that's the story of the spider and how I killed it. Alright. Wait, were you recording this?
Yeah.
Oh. Roadhouse.
You can end the recording now.
I did, I think.
No, you didn't.